The Terra Cafe TK02 Super Automatic Espresso Machine is a state-of-the-art coffee maker designed for coffee enthusiasts who want cafe-quality drinks at home. With its sleek white design and advanced app-enabled features, this machine offers a seamless brewing experience. It is equipped with auto-wake and sleep functions, ensuring that your machine is ready when you need it and energy-efficient when you don't. One of its standout features is its ability to accommodate all types of milk, allowing users to craft the perfect cappuccino, latte, or macchiato with ease. Whether you prefer oat, almond, soy, or traditional dairy milk, the TK02 ensures a rich and creamy froth every time. For espresso lovers, this machine is roaster-approved, meaning it delivers precise brewing settings to bring out the best flavors from your coffee beans. The intuitive touchscreen display and customizable settings allow users to tailor their coffee strength, temperature, and milk texture to their preference. Unlike standard espresso machines, the Terra Cafe TK02 is designed for convenience and quality, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned coffee lovers. To enhance your experience, the app-enabled connectivity lets you control and customize your coffee from your smartphone. You can schedule brewing times, adjust settings, and even receive maintenance reminders, all from the comfort of your device. Whether you're starting your day with a strong espresso or winding down with a smooth cappuccino, this machine ensures consistent and barista-level results every time. For customer satisfaction, it's essential to regularly clean and maintain the machine using the guided instructions. The removable parts make cleaning easy, and the built-in notifications ensure you never miss essential maintenance. Investing in the Terra Cafe TK02 means enjoying premium coffee at home with the convenience of automation. For pricing and purchasing options, check the links in the description. The Casa Brews Espresso Machine is a premium 20-bar pressure espresso maker designed for coffee lovers who want a professional barista experience at home. Featuring a dual boiler system, this machine allows you to brew espresso and froth milk simultaneously, ensuring faster and more efficient coffee preparation. Its sleek silver design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, while the LCD display makes it easy to customize settings for the perfect espresso, cappuccino, or latte. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced barista, this machine offers precise control over temperature and extraction, delivering rich, full-bodied coffee every time. One of its standout features is the automatic milk frother, which creates creamy, velvety foam for lattes and cappuccinos with minimal effort. The machine also includes a separate hot water system, making it convenient for preparing Americanos, tea, or instant hot drinks. Unlike single boiler machines, the dual boiler technology ensures that you can brew and steam at the same time without waiting, making it ideal for busy mornings or entertaining guests. The 20-bar pressure system guarantees optimal flavor extraction, allowing you to enjoy cafe-quality espresso in the comfort of your home. For customer satisfaction, regular maintenance and cleaning are essential. The removable drip tray and water reservoir make cleanup easy, and descaling the machine periodically will help maintain its performance. Always use fresh, high-quality coffee beans and properly tamp the grounds for the best results. If you experience any issues, refer to the user manual or reach out to Casa Brews customer support for assistance. Investing in this espresso machine means enjoying professional-grade coffee with the convenience of home brewing. For pricing and purchasing options, check the links in the description. The Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine is a top-tier choice for coffee enthusiasts who want to enjoy barista-quality espresso at home. With its brushed stainless steel design, this machine not only looks elegant, but also offers durability and performance. It features a built-in conical burr grinder, allowing you to grind fresh coffee beans right before extraction for the richest flavor possible. The precise dose control ensures the right amount of coffee every time, while the digital temperature control PID delivers optimal water temperature, enhancing the espresso's taste and aroma. Designed for both beginners and experienced baristas, the Breville Barista Express provides manual and automatic settings, so you can customize your coffee just the way you like it. The steam wand enables you to create micro-foam milk, perfect for latte art and creamy cappuccinos. With its 15-bar Italian pump and pre-infusion function, this machine ensures even extraction, resulting in a well-balanced and flavorful espresso shot. The large water reservoir and spacious drip tray make it convenient for multiple servings, making it an ideal addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. To ensure customer satisfaction, regular cleaning and maintenance are crucial. The machine comes with cleaning alerts and an easy-to-remove drip tray, making upkeep simple. Descaling periodically and using filtered water will help prolong its lifespan and maintain performance. Whether you're a casual coffee drinker or an aspiring home barista, the Breville Barista Express offers an exceptional espresso experience with precision and control. For pricing and purchasing options, check the links in the description. The DeLonghi Stylosa manual espresso machine is a sleek and compact coffee maker designed for those who love crafting espresso-based drinks at home. With its 15-bar pump pressure, this machine ensures optimal extraction for rich, flavorful espresso shots. Whether you prefer a classic espresso, a creamy cappuccino, or a smooth latte, the stainless steel and black design gives it a modern and stylish look, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Measuring 13.5 by 8.07 by 11.22 inches, it fits easily on most countertops without taking up too much space. One of the standout features of the DeLonghi Stylosa is its manual milk frother steam wand, which allows users to create barista-style microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos. Whether you enjoy a light and airy foam or a creamy, dense texture, the frothing wand gives you full control. This machine is beginner-friendly, making it an excellent choice for those new to espresso making, while still offering enough versatility for more experienced coffee lovers who like to fine-tune their brewing process. The stainless steel boiler ensures durability and long-term performance, delivering consistent heat for every cup. To maintain customer satisfaction, regular cleaning and upkeep are essential. The removable drip tray and water reservoir make it easy to clean, and descaling the machine periodically will help keep it running efficiently. Using freshly ground coffee and tamping it evenly will result in better espresso extraction and flavor. Whether you're starting your day with a strong shot or relaxing with a frothy cappuccino, the DeLonghi Stylosa manual espresso machine provides a high-quality coffee experience at home. For pricing and purchasing options, check the links in the description. The Ninja Espresso Machine, Luxe Cafe Premier Series, ES601, is a versatile and high-performance coffee maker designed for those who enjoy both espresso and drip coffee. This all-in-one machine offers the convenience of brewing rich espresso shots, smooth drip coffee, and refreshing rapid cold brew, making it an excellent choice for households with diverse coffee preferences. With its integrated grinder, you can enjoy freshly ground beans for the best flavor, while the assisted tamper ensures a consistent and precise coffee dose for perfect extraction every time. Whether you prefer dairy or non-dairy milk, the hands-free frother makes it easy to create creamy lattes, velvety cappuccinos, and other milk-based drinks with ease. Designed for both beginners and experienced coffee lovers, the Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier combines user-friendly features with advanced brewing technology. The rapid cold brew function is perfect for those who love a refreshing coffee experience without the long wait. The machine also offers multiple brewing sizes, allowing you to make a single shot, a full carafe, or anything in between. With its sleek and modern design, this espresso and coffee maker fits beautifully in any kitchen while delivering cafe-quality beverages at home. To ensure customer satisfaction, regular maintenance and cleaning are essential. The removable parts make cleaning easy, and descaling the machine periodically will help maintain its performance. Using high-quality coffee beans and adjusting the grind settings can further enhance the taste of your drinks. Whether you're an espresso lover, a cold brew fan, or someone who enjoys a classic drip coffee, the Ninja Luxe Cafe Premier Series provides the ultimate coffeehouse experience at home. For pricing and purchasing options, check the links in the description.